Hello everyone, my name is Anne Nguyen. My topic today is should I pursue a career in government? The purpose of this presentation is to answer for me the question should I pursue a career in government? In order to do that, I will answer some questions. What are civil service jobs? What kind of civil service job is suitable for me and why? So civil service jobs are positions found in the U.S. government. This could include federal, state, or local government jobs. Civil service employees are essential to the structure of the U.S. government and have a direct impact on the country in terms of finance, education, law enforcement, and information technology. What kind of civil service job is suitable for me? It is social service assistant. As an adult student, I've been working over the past 10 years, and throughout my career, I've demonstrated an ability to provide emotional support and guidance to the people in need. I was trained in maintaining strong relations with providers, clients, and patients. My volunteer experience also that I am truly love helping people. That's why I think social service worker is a suitable job for me. What does a social service assistant do? They help keep families updated, analyze and assess care plans, interview new clients, create treatment plans, recommend community service, manage social service information, provide consultation, and so on. So the thing that I need to do right now is transfer to Cal State Fullerton and complete a BA degree in Human and Social Service. Thank you for listening.